dealers all over the world. And they're calling us and saying, I don't know what you guys are doing, but everybody's requesting your product. Everybody's requesting Fruitland. So there you go.
At Sticky Branding, we work with some remarkable brands, companies like Fruitland Manufacturing. I asked Chris White, CEO and president of Fruitland, to speak of his experience of what it's like working with Sticky Branding.
When we started working with Sticky Branding, we were faced with this pandemic dilemma, like everybody else was. With the pandemic, we saw sales go down considerably, and we're faced with, what are we going to do? How are we going to deal with this crazy time? And like many other businesses, we're figuring, okay, well, first of all, how do we protect our employees, and how do we protect our customers? How do we protect our community? We went through all that, and then we said, okay, look, we need to get to business here. What can we do to actually make a difference? Sticky Branding has really been instrumental in opening up a whole new awareness on how effective marketing can be and is. So we've seen opportunities open up to us that we wouldn't have seen otherwise. And the investment has been well worth it. I think the thing that we're learning through this process is communicate. So the more we can get our message out there, be consistent with our message, get it in the front of the people that need to see it, that's what's going to make the difference. And that's what's making the difference now.